Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid where I like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative. And today I got some new stationery to show you guys. I'm so excited because I just became a part of the Bloom Collective. It sounds so exclusive. And I will be promoting their products and using and showing their products and providing you guys some inspiration. I'm honestly happy to have some new stationery on my channel because I usually show Happy Planner, Recollections, Agenda 52, and occasionally some small businesses that I might find that are gems and stuff. But y'all, this is new for me. I haven't opened this box. It's a first impression too. And I have been waiting 3 days to get to this box. I've just been busy with a lot of stuff, so now I have the time. I am working on some orders, but I had to make the time. Like, y'all, look at this. Here's my handy dandy knife. Let's go ahead and get this open because y'all know I like to talk too much. I forgot to even say what stationery is. I'm over here so excited. I forgot to say what it is. The stationery that I got today is from the brand I Have Plans For You, or IHPFY. This person is on Instagram, makes beautiful stationery, also has a Patreon where they can show ideas and spreads and digital downloads. Like, she's really doing it. I'm trying to be like her when I grow up, okay? So I'm really happy to show you guys this. She also has a YouTube channel, so everything is going to be linked down below. I really want you guys to check her out. This fell out, so we'll start with this. Wow, she gave me a lot of stuff. Hold on, I gotta open this up now. Wait a minute. Ooh, okay. Wait, I wasn't prepared for this. Okay, hold on. Kiana, get it together. You got me using my government here. I'm so excited. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna start with this. So, this is the brand I Have Plans For You by Ashley Kelly, and this is a picture of the owner. Isn't she beautiful? And I'm going to read what she said. Keke, thank you so much for being a member of the IHPFY Creative Bloom Collective. I am so happy that we are going on this journey together. To show my gratitude for your willingness to serve on this team, I have prepared a few goodies for you. Enjoy. Got a couple of bookmarks, which I believe she makes herself, so this is nice. Like, she makes a lot of nice things. I've always been following her on Instagram, but I don't know. I think Instagram has been weird lately. That's all I'm gonna say. Because the app likes to refresh itself a lot, and it's so annoying. So I feel like I don't get a chance to like all the posts I want to like. You know what I'm saying? It's so annoying. So she is on Instagram and she posts a lot. So please check her out. I'm going to start with these beautiful bookmarks. Remember to take care of you. Together we'll make a beautiful pattern. I love these. And I love this ribbon. Let's get rid of this bubble wrap. Girl, thank you for the bubble wrap because I could use this. Thank you. Ooh, okay. I always wanted to get into using the wax seals, but when I tell y'all, I do a horrible job. I do a horrible job. This is beautiful. Can I keep this? Let's find a way to keep this. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, yes, we're keeping this. Ooh, we got some stickers. Okay. Let's see what kind of stickers we got here. Ooh, this is pretty. She did my name. She did my name. This is so cute. Okay. She's serious. She's not playing. Y'all. Ooh, this is pretty too. I'm already having spread ideas. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I've officially called myself the Planner Princess. I eat with the planner spreads, and honestly, someone has even called me the micro queen. Can I say something here? Y'all really like my stuff. It's so cool. So I have so many spread ideas. Oh yes, honey, we are using these. Yes, we are. I love this font. I wonder what this font is. My name. Oh. Okay, we got some tumbos. I didn't need more tumbos, but oh well, I got more tumbos. And let me say why I said what I said. Because y'all, I have so many to the point where some of them dried out. I haven't even used them all. I'm just saying. I hope I can use these. I need to make sure I use these. I love this eraser. I do. Actually, I can open this up. Ooh. This one came in the pack. Actually, I feel like I've gotten this pack before. This is a really good starter pack with Tombow, actually, because you got the Furunosuke. I hope I said that right. Which one is it? This one, which is pretty much a marker, like a fine tip marker. I actually like these. These are really good for brush lettering, which I'm practicing, which I won't show y'all because my lettering is so ugly. And then this is a dual tip. Oh, both of them are thin too, but this one's a little thicker. Oh, nice. Got an eraser. Could never have too many erasers. Got an eraser. Then we got some Tombow markers. Like I said, I love Tombow markers, but I have too many. Like when I tell you, I need to do better with using my stuff. I actually just rearranged my workstation so I could utilize all my things more. Like I'm not playing this year because I just have so much stuff and it will get used. And then we got a pencil here. This is beautiful. There's a high quality pencil. Okay. And then we have the Furunosuke, which I showed you guys. Then we got a notebook. Actually, we got 2 notebooks. Let me open these up. Can I tell y'all, this is the happiest mail I've gotten in a long time. Seriously, I haven't received happy mail in years. Like, I haven't. So, hopefully, you know, I'm actually looking into trying to get a pen pal. Like, if you want to be pen pals, let me know. Like, I am looking to write someone and make the letters pretty. Like, I want to do something like that. Ooh, these are beautiful. Wow. I like the cover, too. That's how the back looks. The front and this dotted paper, and I'll test it in a minute. I would do like writing and stuff on it, not the brush writing. I told y'all my writing ugly, so I'm not playing with y'all. This is dotted as well, so it's the same notebook, just a different style. And here they are side by side. That looks really nice. I am in love. We got a bag here, like a pouch. Oh, it's a big pouch. Ooh. Wow, this is nice. It's a real big pouch. I'm assuming it's to put your notebooks in there. Ooh. Put your notebooks in there. Put your Furunosukes in there and your Tombows. We're going to put our stickers. Come on, the bookmarks. Let me get rid of this packaging. Ooh. Wow, this is so nice. Thank you for sending all this stuff to me. Oh my gosh. And I'm so happy to be a part of your team. And I can't wait to show ideas and inspiration with your products because, girl, I got you. That's why I'm Plannerzoid. Y'all know what's so funny? Like, for the longest time, I really wasn't confident. But now I am. I feel like I'm realizing my potential. And I've always been a creative. You know what I'm saying? So I'm so happy to be getting new stuff because that means new creations. New ideas, okay? Get into it, new ideas. So I'm excited, but I'm gonna lay everything back out. This is what came in my first little initial package of being a part of the team. Some bookmarks, notebooks, markers, stickers, pencils. This is a great stationery starter kit. I'm not gonna know how to act. I can't wait to show you guys. Before I conclude this video, let's do a quick page in this book. I wanna write on this paper because I actually wanna know how the Tombow or any kind of marker or pen does on the paper. I'm going to do some strokes, different kinds of strokes. I'm curious. So sometimes I like to color and I will draw heavy. I do that. Also, like I said, I've been practicing the lettering. Okay, I've been practicing the lettering. So, you know, part of the practice is doing this wavy thing to show you thin and thick strokes. So something like wait, let me try one more time. Okay, one more time. Thick, thin, light. Y'all, that's hard to do. I'm practicing. Give me a chance. I'll write my name too. I'm just writing random stuff. When I tell you I don't know how to do page and pen tests, don't do that. That's the bullet journalists, y'all. They are really good at that. I'm trying to get good at that. You can also do brush writing with this, but it's not going to be the same as when you use a thick marker. So you can still do thin. Y'all see how I'm shaking? I'm not finna, y'all not finna laugh at me. I do not know how to do the brush stuff. Like, I've been practicing though. But yeah, so we made some marks. Let's flip the page. Come on. Look at that. When I tell you, that's why I love like dotted paper. Usually dotted paper is really good. Now, I'm not saying that all of it's good quality. You do have to do your research, but most of it that I've come across is. So there we go. I'm already happy. Now, it does show a little bit on the back, but for me, that doesn't bother me. I write right over it, like whatever. But I did want to let you know, just in case anyone was curious, so I just want to do a quick test show y'all. But it's really good overall for me. Sorry, I'm just excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because that's it. I just wanted to showcase these products, show what I got in the mail, because like I said, this is the happiest happy mail I've ever received. And it's been a long time. So forgive me if I'm squilling in excitement, because that's what planner addicts do. I'm a planner addict. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see y'all in the next video. Check out my Instagram and everything, because I will be taking beautiful pictures of these products and showing ideas that you can use with the products. Also, I will be checking out her digital downloads and everything, because I will show ideas with that too. So please check her out. Everything will be linked down below. And I will see my Zoidies next time.